Want to share a ChatGPT conversation fast? Here are the best simple options. Step 1. Use ChatGPT's built-in share link to send a live conversation. Step 2. Export the chat as a PDF or plain text for records. Step 3. Take screenshots or copy messages when links aren't available. Step 4. Use workspace sharing for team access and collaborative editing. Before you send anything, let's cover 3 quick privacy tips. Tip 1. Remove or redact any personal or sensitive information first. Tip 2. Limit link access, set expirations, or require sign-in when possible. Tip 3. Prefer workspace or account-based sharing for internal team usage. Always preview links and test them in a private browser before sharing widely. In short, links for fast sharing, exports for records, workspaces for teams. Try sharing responsibly today. Subscribe for more quick productivity and privacy tips.